Digestion, where it all begins. Have you ever wondered why your friends can overindulge or eat junk food on occasion and be fine, but you can't? Do you periodically get an upset stomach for no apparent reason? Are you tired of relying on antacids? Why your digestion is so important. Proper digestion is key to overall health. Our digestive tract is where we interact with the world. It is where we absorb nutrients, and how we remove wastes and toxins. Even with a good diet, our digestive tract is affected by hormones and environmental toxins which can compromise our ability to properly digest foods. Over time this can lead to low level of inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal conditions treated: irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, small intestine bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, constipation and diarrhea. And to see more gastrointestinal conditions that can be treated, visit our website today.